Nature's medicine, the healing power of the great outdoors. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's easy to forget the profound impact that nature can have on our health and well-being. However, nature's medicine is one of the oldest, most effective forms of healing known to humanity. From the calming effects of a forest walk to the invigorating rush of mountain air, spending time in nature can rejuvenate our minds, bodies, and spirits in ways that modern medicine often cannot. Let's explore the many dimensions of nature's healing power and how you can incorporate it into your daily life. The science behind nature's healing. Scientific research has consistently shown that spending time in nature can significantly improve our mental and physical health. One of the key benefits is stress reduction. Studies have found that walking in a natural environment, such as a park or forest, can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. This reduction in cortisol can lead to decreased anxiety, lower blood pressure, and a sense of calm and relaxation. For instance, a study conducted by Stanford University found that participants who walked for 90 minutes in a natural setting showed decreased activity in a region of the brain associated with depression compared to those who walked in an urban environment. This suggests that nature not only reduces stress, but can also help alleviate symptoms of depression. Another fascinating aspect of nature's medicine is its ability to boost our immune system. Phytoncides, which are natural compounds released by trees and plants, have been shown to enhance the activity of natural killer NK cells in our bodies. These cells play a crucial role in defending against infections and cancer. In Japan, the practice of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, involves spending time in forests to soak in these beneficial compounds, leading to improved immune function and overall health. The psychological benefits of nature. Beyond the physical benefits, nature has a profound impact on our mental well-being. Being in natural environments can enhance mood, increase feelings of happiness, and improve cognitive function. The concept of biophilia, which suggests that humans have an inherent affinity for nature, explains why we feel so connected and uplifted when surrounded by natural beauty. One of the most powerful effects of nature is its ability to foster mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of our thoughts and surroundings without judgment. Nature, with its serene landscapes and gentle rhythms, provides the perfect backdrop for mindfulness practice. Whether it's the sound of rustling leaves, the sight of a flowing river, or the feel of grass beneath your feet, these sensory experiences anchor us in the present moment and quiet the mind. For example, consider a simple walk through a forest. As you stroll along the path, you might notice the sunlight filtering through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the ground. You might hear the distant call of a bird or the rustle of a squirrel in the underbrush. Each of these moments draws you away from the worries of everyday life and into a state of peaceful awareness. This mindful immersion in nature can reduce anxiety, improve mood, and enhance overall psychological resilience. Nature's role in social connection. In addition to individual benefits, nature also plays a crucial role in fostering social connections. Shared experiences in natural settings can strengthen relationships and build a sense of community. Whether it's a family camping trip, a group hike, or a community garden project, these activities bring people together and create lasting bonds. Research has shown that people who engage in outdoor activities with others tend to have stronger social networks and greater social support. These connections are vital for our mental and emotional well-being, providing us with a sense of belonging and security. Furthermore, outdoor activities often encourage teamwork and cooperation, enhancing our ability to work together and solve problems. For instance, imagine organizing a weekend hike with friends. As you navigate the trails together, you share stories, laughter, and challenges. The shared experience of overcoming obstacles and enjoying the beauty of the landscape creates a deep sense of camaraderie and mutual support. These positive social interactions are a key component of overall happiness and life satisfaction. Practical ways to incorporate nature into your life. Given the myriad benefits of nature's medicine, it's important to find ways to incorporate more outdoor time into your daily routine. Here are some practical suggestions to help you get started. Daily walks. Make it a habit to take a short walk in a nearby park or natural area every day. Even a 15-minute stroll can significantly boost your mood and reduce stress. Outdoor exercise. Instead of heading to the gym, try exercising outdoors. Activities like running, biking, or yoga in the park combine physical fitness with the healing power of nature. Nature breaks. If you have a busy schedule, incorporate nature breaks into your day. Step outside during lunch, take a walk during your break, or simply sit in a garden to recharge. Weekend adventures. Plan regular weekend trips to natural locations. Whether it's a hike in the mountains, a visit to the beach, or a camping trip, these adventures provide a deeper immersion in nature's beauty. Gardening. Create a small garden at home or participate in a community garden. Gardening not only connects you with nature, but also provides the satisfaction of nurturing and growing plants. Mindful nature practice. Practice mindfulness in natural settings. Spend time observing the details of your surroundings, listening to the sounds of nature, and feeling the textures around you. Tech-free time. Dedicate specific times when you disconnect from technology and engage with nature. This helps you fully appreciate and absorb the natural environment. Nature's medicine is a powerful and accessible resource for enhancing our health and well-being. By spending more time in natural environments, we can reduce stress, boost our immune systems, improve our mental health, and foster meaningful social connections. The beauty of nature lies not only in its landscapes, but also in its ability to heal and rejuvenate us. So take a step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and let nature work its magic. Your mind, body, and spirit will appreciate you.